Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. Are you guys need better Wi-Fi coverage? In this video, we demonstrate how to set up the Greatzer WiFi Booster range extender using the WPS button. This quick installation method allows the extender to automatically connect with your router and extend the wireless signal. Basically, the Greatzer WiFi Booster range extender is a small networking device designed to extend the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network. This guide perfect for beginners who want a simple way to boost their Wi-Fi network. In the first step, take the Greatzer WiFi Booster and plug it into a power outlet near your router. Wait for about 20 to 30 seconds for the device to power on. The power LED light will turn solid, indicating the device is ready for setup. Find the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. Usually, it's at the back or side of the router. It may be labeled as WPS or have a lock with Wi-Fi signal icon. Press and hold the WPS button on your router for 2 to 3 seconds. The WPS light on the router will start blinking. This means it's searching for a device to connect. Within 2 minutes of pressing the router's WPS button, press the WPS button on the Greatzer WiFi Booster. The WPS LED on the extender will start blinking. The extender will now automatically connect to your router. Wait about 30 to 60 seconds while the devices communicate. Once connected, the signal/Wi-Fi indicator light becomes solid. This means the extender has successfully copied the router's network settings. Open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone, laptop, or tablet. Look for the extended network name. Usually it appears like your Wi-Fi name _ext or your Wi-Fi name _2.4G_ext. Select the extended network. Enter the same password as your main router. Now your device will connect through the extender. Now your setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such more informative videos.